Here, in the trades area of Bayonne High School in room 6129, lies the welding department. In welding class, students' objective is to learn the arts and science of welding. Students' safety is the main priority. All students are required to wear protective clothing, gloves, and goggles before they start working. Also, the shop is very well ventilated. The welding department instructors are Mr. Beebe and Mr. Pacuraro. Mr. Beebe is a licensed chiropractor and is a graduate of Bloomfield College and Life University. He's also been a union iron worker since 1991. Here, students are presented with constant supervision and hands-on learning. Students learn different welding techniques and how to use different welding instruments. After the project is finished, students place their work in the cooling bin and prepare it to be graded. Welding is just one example of many diverse and interesting elective classes that Bayonne High School offers. Whether it's academics, athletics, or trade science, Bayonne High School has something for everyone.